Hi there, I'm Andrew, and this is a video all about anger, rage, fury. It's designed to help students of English to talk about anger, especially useful for those of you taking English tests such as the IELTS, because you may have to talk about emotions like anger in a question in the exam. So what we're going to do, we're going to look at a few expressions which I'm going to give you in sentences so you have context. The video has subtitles. I'm also going to post the phrases in the comments section below this video. If the video is useful, please subscribe it, please share it. Okay, on with the anger. People who use headphones but play their music so loud that everybody else can hear really drive me round the bend. I always feel livid when I hear about people that have been cruel to animals. I'm a cyclist and I'm often spitting mad when a motorist cuts me up. If you cut somebody up, you drive in front of somebody without giving them enough room. Okay, and the next sentence. I am furious with my boss at the moment because he keeps changing his mind as to what he wants me to do. I flew into a rage last week when I got home to find that somebody had stolen my bike. I was so hacked off with the performance of my favourite football team last week, and I hope the manager read them the riot act. I had to bawl out a kid who was riding his bike on the pavement and nearly ran over an old lady last week. So that's a number of expressions using anger, words that are used to talk about anger, expressions that you can use to indicate to somebody that you were angry in a given situation. I hope it was useful. If so, please do subscribe to this channel because there will be more videos like this about other emotions, and please also share the video. Thank you. Remember that it's not really good to be angry, but sometimes it happens to all of us, and you might need some of these expressions. So thank you, and goodbye.